Tim, no going into boogeyman mode.
I'm scared to ask what boogeyman mode is.
It's when he starts like teleporting all around the track.
Oh.
Oh, listen to that V8, guys. Listen to that gorgeous V8 sound.
Don't forget to hold your brakes for the start. Don't jump it.
Oh, you can jump it?
Wait, what do you mean you have to hold your brakes?
Or just so you don't roll forward.
You don't hold your brakes, you just don't shift into it.
Oh yeah, actually.
Can you just leave it in neutral?
True.
I'm gonna neutral drop it on the start.
Alright.
Dude, it sounds like a V8, it's crazy.
I'm dying.
Like a 60s V8.
No dying before the race.
Wait to take a hit 20 seconds before the race.
Is this a rolling start or a standing start?
Standing start.
We're doing standing
lights
start?
Are up, yes, lights are up. Be careful, first to crash is... use your imagination.
Alright, we're about to race.
Lights out and away we go.
Oh, look at that start. Oh my god, I got a great start.
No!
What is this?
God damn!
Alright, toxic rental drivers.
I didn't even make it 5 feet before I got put into the wall.
Who's place and going defensive already?
No, that was
you, Kevin?
No?
That sounds like a Z.
I held my line the whole time.
Someone turned into me, bro.
No, who's going defensive into the fucking hairpin?
It was whoever like P4 or something.
Oh, that's you, Jesus?
Yeah, I want to stay in
And you
second.
have the audacity to say that sounds like an Isaiah thing? That's insane, dude.
Alright, we got a race going on.
Who's in fourth?
Oh.
That's you, Woody?
Yep.
Alright, don't bump, let's work together, boys. Let's catch Justin.
I am currently
Open up to...
Isaiah's slow.
Got that right.
I'm behind Isaiah right now.
Don't!
Wait, this is you? This is you, Kev?
Yeah, I'm in second. Woody's behind you.
Actually, on my screen it says you're third.
No, it's because I just lapped in the middle of a lap, you Jesus.
Come here, Mark.
Isaiah, here I come.
That's Woody chasing me,
Yeah,
dude.
give me a bump. I'm tapping my helmet. Give me a bump.
I'm in P3 right now.
I can't see it.
You're
Your
in
character's not doing anything right now.
What the fuck happened to Woody, dude?
I'm in fourth.
Wait,
Yes,
Isaiah's
hit
in
the
fourth.
wall again.
What?
Hit the wall again.
Oh.
Oh, Isaiah fell all the way down?
Yeah, I got crashed into.
Again.
Oh, I crashed into, as in I put myself in the wall.
No, I got crashed into.
Dude!
Oh, did a big catch up, Isaiah.
Dude! Dude, the double apex is insane!
Yeah, I was nervous on that part.
You guys still alive?
Yeah, we just went 2 wide to the double apex and 2 wide to the pit lane turn and kept it clean, dude.
Wait, I see
Holy
people
shit.
up the road too.
Jesus, take the wheel.
Hey Zeus, this is for real, dude.
Oh,
We're pushing.
who's this crashing into?
I'm getting on the inside. Oh.
Oh! Hey, I'm on your inside. I'm on your inside. I'm on your inside.
Isaiah, here I come.
Woody.
Uh-oh.
Wait, 3-1?
Oh my
No,
god.
that was all
not
yourself.
quite.
That was all yourself.
I know.
Oh, I spun out. I spun out.
Uh-oh, Tango down.
Spun.
Alright,
I would just
now we
hate to
gotta...
be the person that's getting beat by someone playing with a controller.
Is that Cowboys who's playing with the controller?
No, I'm on a wheel. I'm on a crappy wheel. Yo, I shred a 43. Oh my god, I did it finally.
Oh.
You did.
Don't forget about the competition,
more lap.
Yellow.
Yep, I got you.
See, that turn 1 incident is what I was thinking about when I insisted on that rule.
And you're saying there's not going to be another one? Like what?
Not yet. Oh! I'm sure there won't be another one.
Yeah, they just have to take you out so someone else can win the race.
I think I'm still okay.
I got 2 guys behind me. I'm sure they won't take me out.
Pause. Alright, I'm in coast mode. My hand is up.
What's up, Justin?
What's up?
Oh, you just... What are you doing?
Don't crash on the parade on the rolling lap. Goddamn. Oh, I see you guys.
Alright, I'm behind you.
I'm coming out of turn 4.
Right. Who's in
behind.
4th right now?
I was gonna say we don't need to be double line. We could just be a single line.
Nope, we're doubling. Doubling it.
All right.
Hey, we don't gas it until the start finish.
Hey, Isaiah catched
I feel
up.
like too wide into the start is gonna get us fucked. Wait, the
Not the goal.
The guy in front of me has kart 99. That was a legendary kart.
Slow down.
Wait, what's
These
going
people
on
are
right
still
now?
slow as
This is the competition yellow. All right. You know.
Someone give me a fist bump. Whoever's
My
next to
tires
me,
are
fist bump
cooling
me.
down. Yeah,
That's
fist bump
okay.
me.
No.
Alright, I mean, we can just have you yell go, Kevin. We can do that too.
Okay. 3, 2. Oh, don't bump. 3, 2, 1. Green flag. Go, go, go.
What is that score?
I was saying you should just yell go.
Oh my God. Go down.
Oh, yes!
Oh, wait.
Throw
Yeah,
goes
what,
to
30 second or something like that.
I got 360 and I kept going.
Dude,
The race
how
is
did
interesting.
And I'm in second to
Oh
last.
my god, dude.
I knew that was gonna happen too.
That's your own guy's
Who's
fault.
backing up into me?
Oh,
What is
this
that
I was saying you should just yell go.
Oh my
Okay, go
God.
down.
Oh, yes!
Oh, wait.
Oh,
What is
this
that
is
score?
I was saying you should just yell go.
Oh my
Okay, go
God.
down.
Oh, yes!
Oh, wait.
Throw
Yeah,
goes
what
to
the
the
second or something like
Whoever spun in the hairpin, as soon as I started coming through, just started backing up more into the
I love you,
hairpin.
dude. I'm just trying to rub against you.
I am so glad that I insisted on that rule, because now I'm in
Dude.
second.
Justin went wide as fuck, and I'm in second to last.
I hit the
dude.
wall. I was trying to give you room, but I hit the wall.
Oh. I can clean race with everyone else and not with Justin. Crazy.
What? How is it, bro? I got taken out too.
What position are you in?
4th. I did it
I'm in
360.
7th.
Why? How is Kevin in 1st and 2nd?
I'm in second. Oh, yeah, that's Jesus in first. He's on my main account.
Oh, I got
Oh,
it.
it's Kevin.
Yeah, guys, this is how good I've become. I'm winning first and second. I'm filling the podium.
Is that Kevin's driving 2 simulators at once?
True.
Oh my God, I'm not fast enough.
Oh.
Start hopping in your chair.
See, my problem is I can't tell when Tim's crashing or just lagging, so I don't really know where to go on the track.
Yeah.
Who went through the
You
track?
just lagged in the track. Someone just lagged in
Someone
the
just, yeah, someone
Dude, someone just went through
lagging
the
through the wall.
chicane.
He's lagging.
Oh, what the hell?
He's logging through.
Damn.
I can't make out
What the heck just happened? Oh, it's flying and someone just went through the chicane.
Oh,
Tim,
I
you were
see
literally
that.
jumping around the track as I drive.
Dude, no. Wait a second. I told you guys. I bet it's because of the Tim sending the video thing.
Jeez.
They're throttling his internet. They think he's a cam streamer or something like that.
Dude, I'm not.
Because like every once in a while it just like jumps, so you're facing me, and I'm like, nah, that can't be right.
Uh-oh. Wait, I made a mistake and now somebody's catching me. I've been keeping... Oh, no. That was a bad turn 4. Jesus, come back.
Nope.
Ah.
Hurry up, Checo.
Oh, God. Oh, too wide behind me. They're going to take each other out at the double apex.
Tim, no.
Oh, I hit the wall.
Oh. Defend against the
Oh, I hit
Woody.
the wall again.
That's right. Put Justin in a wall.
Mark.
Shh. Almost hit the apex of turn 2. Oh my god, what a nice shuffle.
Here, Kevin.
Oh, I slowed down there.
I didn't keep the revs up very
But good
well.
thing these carts are slow, so...
Alright, Woody, take him out. Execute order 54.
I think he's catching you, man.
Uh-oh.
So, is that Nick really far behind going to the double apex, or someone really far ahead going into the double apex?
I'm in the first turn.
Okay, so really far behind. Super
Yeah.
Hey, you should play defense against them, please.
This rear view is very helpful. I don't need to look behind,
I mean,
look over my
I really
shoulder.
don't even have to try. I'm just gonna spin out like in an inopportune
As
time.
long as you take one of them out, that's fine.
I might have to start defending soon.
My favorite thing is going through the speed chicane and just
That's
crashing.
right.
What's the speed chicane?
I'm defending.
Dude.
What's the speed chicane?
Defending.
He won't say it except for
It's the
Kevin,
chicane where
but...
there's speed. So
Yeah.
Why are you defending so hard?
I'm holding it.
Secret
No.
Why
slot
are you
chicane on the
pushing it?
track.
This is not fair. Being plotted against.
I am racing. This is. We went racing, Justin. Oh, I see you. Okay, fine. I'll let you. Fuck it.
Understeer.
Damn, you're gonna let Justin fuck it?
Yep.
What?
Oh, I was hoping he'd hit the.
Nice.
Wait, shit, I just let Woody by 2. Wait, no. There's hope.
I'm not
There's
catching
hope.
him. It's not happening.
All right, Jesus, you owe me this win.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What a
Target
turn.
fixation. All right. I was about to pull a move that I pulled on Nico once.
You look like you're doing fine in my rearview mirror.
Yeah, in your rear view.
I mean, I don't mean that like in a negative way. It's just like you don't look like you're having any battles.
Justin, action is coming. Action is coming. Action is. Oh,
you won't.
I gotta back out. No.
Action is coming.
All right. Oh no, guys, I binned it.
Ooh.
Oh,
We
saved
need
it.
we need double the amount of laps here.
So yeah, so you
Yeah,
can
this
Duro
was a very
basically.
painful experience for me.
Yeah, dude, I'm like sweating bullets right now.
That's because you're in his basement, dude.
Yeah,
Also,
Kevin
I
likes to
discovered-
live in a furnace.
Yeah, exactly. I'm glad it's not just me, dude. I'm like, that shit's hot as fuck down there.
It's gamer land stuff. You should be
I'm gonna
familiar with
I'm
this.
gonna bring a fan.
Oh. Okay, all things considered, P4.
Woo,
I can live with that.
P1!
Oh my God.
Thank you for the accident.
Oh my gosh,
Thank you for the accident.
Oh my gosh, bro.
I'm on the inside fully.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Dude.
Oh my god.
Wait, did we lost Tim? Tim went into ghost mode?
Yeah.
Rip.
So, am I not last place?
Oh yeah, we got a DNF. His chain broke or something like that. The connection to that remote control thing.
I still have one more lap to go, though.
Jesus.
What I realized, too, is you actually need to push up on the stick, not left or right. Because left or right, it's like, your input is like 45 degrees or 90 degrees.
That's what a lot of controller-based sim racers do.
I don't even know why there would be a controller.
Guys, we gotta help Steve put the carts away. Drive to the canopy.
Oh yeah, we gotta lift these carts and put them away.
I'm in the canopy. You're welcome, Steve. Oh.
Now I'm in the canopy. Oh, you almost missed, dude. And it's someone else.
How are you in the container? I'm
Yeah,
gone.
I think this footage will actually be pretty good. All right, that's it. I'm gonna stop uploading real-life United Karting footage and just upload virtual United Karting footage.
That's the move. No. Oh.
Guys, I'm currently last right now. Should I quit?
Yeah,
You're slower than Nick right
Oh
now.
my!
Yeah.
Who went through the
You just
track?
lagged in the track. Someone just lagged.
Yeah, someone just
Dude, someone just went through
lagging
the
through the wall.
chicane.
He's lagging.
Oh, what the hell?
He's logging through.
Damn.
I can't make contact.
What the heck just happened? Oh, it's fine, and someone just went through the chicane.
Oh,
Tim,
I
you were
see
literally
that.
jumping around the track as I tried.
Dude, no.
He got
Wait a
kicked.
second. I told you guys. I bet it's because of the Tim sending the video thing.
Jeez.
They're throttling his
He got
internet.
kicked.
They think he's a cam streamer or something like
Dude,
that.
I'm not.
Tim doesn't want anybody
I'm
winning
telling
tonight.
you. Well,
can't-
I just restarted it. That
He
sometimes
became the
helps.
track boogeyman. He's like, it's like the ghost of Tim haunting United Karting.
Bro, my last 2 laps were a 44.445 and a 44.446.
Holy shit.
44.038. I can't get into 43s. It's not possible.
I crashed into the wall separating turn 3 from the rest of the stuff.
You.
Jack moment.
And then you just spun me fully around. Oh. Tim, you little
Wait, what? That was me.
That was you,
That
Woody?
wasn't me.
Is this Nick?
No,
This
this
is
is me.
weaving all around.
Wow.
Oh, caused the pile up. Alright, guys, I'm holding my hand up in real life to go into the pits.
Alright, going into pits.
Jesus
Putting
can
my
verify
left
this.
arm up.
I do my right arm. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, left arm.
No, it should be left arm because it's like more
Yeah,
open to the
it's
track.
Out, yeah.
Oh,
That's why
dude.
Kevin crashes all the time.
I've been doing it wrong this whole time. Oh god.
Yeah. We should just disqualify you, honestly.
Wondering why I was slow.
Oh, Jesus. Switch
I
to
was-
sauce. And whoever
I
the fuck
did,
just
I was
pulled
like-
the pits, you're a too.
You crashed over
There's no
yourself.
way after second off phase.
God damn, someone just yeets out of the fucking pit and someone's in the chicane.
You crashed all by yourself.
No. No.
You were nowhere near me. You had every bit of like 60 cart lengths to like react to that.
60? Dude, the whole track, 60
You
car
have a
length.
reaction time of an old man with dementia. Like, lock in.
Oh my god. Who's off in the parking lot right now?
Me.
I just looked.
That's the best I can do tonight. P3, baby.
I was wondering, like. Okay.
Is qualifying over?
Oh.
12 more seconds. I think there's an
Oh,
overtime
yeah,
too
10
for
more
the guys
seconds.
who are still on a lap.
Nah, I'm good.
You think you were gonna escape? Who is this? I thought they were gonna escape
Me.
and back out of the
You're
chicken
gonna
fight.
say
Trying to get to Maryland Live Casino from there.
That's what I'm saying. What this
I
track's
heard
missing
gambling. I'm
is
going
the
this
big
way.
Maryland Live sign off in the background.
That's
Who
all I
keeps
need to
hitting
feel
me,
right
dude?
at home.
Such a little-